Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the core essentials: protect and section. Apply a heat protectant so your hair stays healthy, then plug in the 7 Panda hair curler and set it between 180 degrees and 200 degrees for typical hair. Reduce heat for fragile strands. Once the curler shows ready, take your first 1/2-inch section and clamp close to the root. You want tension, not too tight. This first pass establishes the curl's foundation, so move with You now refine the curl technique. Wrap each section around the barrel away from your face for a more open curl. Hold for about 3 to 4 seconds depending on thickness. Thicker hair needs longer. Once released, don't crush the shape. Pin the curl against your head with a clip to cool, which locks the set. Make sure to alternate wrap directions occasionally for a lived-in look. If you find hot spots, rotate the barrel more slowly to distribute heat evenly. You finish by releasing all cooled curls and letting them settle, then gently run your fingers through to break them into natural waves. Apply a light hairspray or a pea-sized serum on the ends to tame frizz and add shine. Once done, inspect for any limp areas. If some curls dropped, reheat the 7 Panda curler and touch up those specific sections. Only a quick rewrap is usually needed. Finally, make sure not to overbrush. Too much brushing loses shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.